There's a call for the government to make tax rules simpler. Economist Dr. Damien King says many Jamaicans evade taxes because they don't understand it. In this week's edition of the Business Review, Andrew Laidley looks at the complexities of the tax system.
Tax Administration Jamaica TAJ clamping down on delinquent taxpayers, a strategy to aggressively improve compliance. So far, revenue collection is outperforming its target by 13.2%. That's about $2.8 billion. But there's still a long way to go. Economist Dr. Damien King is suggesting that some Jamaicans simply don't pay taxes because the entire process is too complex.
A significant number of persons are non-compliant not because they are avoiding the tax liability, but they are afraid of coming into the complexity of the tax code.
He says those who make an attempt to pay are often slapped with sanctions for overlooking one component.
Even with the best of intentions and the will to be compliant, they are going to be found in violation of some of the rules and then be visited with penalties.
In response, Deputy Secretary in the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service, Pamela Folks, admits that the government is aware of the problem. She says it's something the government is trying to address.
The tax rules can be a bit daunting and cumbersome. That's why we are still working towards simplifying the tax system. We're working with our international partners, the IMF, the World Bank, in streamlining the taxes, in streamlining the penalties and interest to reduce them. So in terms of what our work plan looks like for next year, I just told you, that's the aim, to reduce the interest penalty and further streamline and simplify the tax structure as we have it.
As of July 2018, almost 6,080 new persons were brought into the tax net. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.